Hey guys, how's it going? It's the Crypto Analyst here. I hope all of you guys are having a good morning, evening, wherever you guys are from. And today we're going to be doing a technical analysis of TRON and why I believe it is going to blow up in the very near future. So if you guys are interested in this, please make sure you guys stay for the entire length of the video, as there will be important information discussed the entire way through. Also guys, do not forget to like and subscribe, as it really does help out the channel if you guys did enjoy this video. So without further ado, what we're going to do is we are going to get right on into the technical analysis. So I've discussed in my previous technical analysis and in my live streams about why I drew these triangles up and why it has been forming this triangular pattern. And in summary, what these triangles mean is we have this first triangle here, which is a shorter drop, but it is it's a harsher drop. So what it was over a shorter duration of time, but it was a very harsh drop for that short duration. The second drop, the second triangle that we have here, was a longer period of time, but it was a less harsh drop. So what we have is a harsh but short, a not as harsh but long, and then what the third one's supposed to be is a not as harsh and not as long. And what we saw is that I was correct in that it did form the not as harsh and the not as long pattern. And what this means here is that we are probably going to see a huge breakout from TRON in the very near future. And what we can expect here is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw up this triangle. We can expect, I'm going to draw this out about as accurate as we can. What we can expect here is the same sort of deal to happen with this last triangle. And what we have here is probably only one or two triangles left before we see TRON break out. I want to make sure I get this completely right here. So, there is our third triangle, and what we're going to do is we're going to keep on seeing these get smaller and smaller. And then we might even have one more that's going to look something like this, and it's going to be a very, very short triangle. And that's basically the summary of it, is that we are going to see these continually to get smaller and smaller until it breaks out. So in my belief, I think we still have at least one more, probably about two more cycles, which could probably reach until almost March. But I think starting March, or by the beginning of March, guys, I think we're going to see a breakout in TRON. And certainly by March 31st, I think we are going to have seen a huge surge in TRON of at least 30–40%. I'm not giving an exact price because I'm not exactly sure, but I do firmly believe that we are going to see a very healthy spike in TRON's price, and I think that the price of TRON will surge here in the not so far future. We're following these patterns, and we've been right so far, predicting the first three, and the fourth looks like it's going to follow the prediction as well. So I don't see any reason of why it's going to go down or why it would not spike here. I think that just staying healthy of TRON is not really something that is going to happen. I think that instead of just following like healthy patterns upwards, I think we're going to see a spike. Not something nearly as big as what we saw here in this huge jump from around 274 Satoshis all the way to over 2,000. I don't think we're going to see something quite that big, but I think we could see something of probably somewhere around, probably around 470 Satoshi, maybe all the way to something like, maybe like probably not 900, probably something like at least 750. I think we could see a 750 Satoshi of TRON in the not so far future, guys. March 31st is a huge date. I think sometime around March 31st, guys, TRON is going to have another super healthy jump. So what this does is if this jump does not happen by March 31st, certainly around March 31st, we are going to see another huge jump in TRON. Again, it's not going to be something as big as what we saw before of a 1,500 Satoshi gain, but it's going to be something that's at least going to be a couple hundred Satoshis. So this is something that I wanted to inform you guys on. Make sure you guys knew about, as I myself am invested in TRON, and this is really what's going through my mind. And if we look at what's happening in the news about TRON, it's all good things. It's all positive, which is weird because TRON, it's been getting a lot of hate for the past couple months ever since it dropped from over 30 cents to 2 cents. So, with that being said, anything that goes, from 30 cents to 2 cents is something to watch out for, but it also presents a great buying opportunity, especially in a year like this one, where we're going to see almost everything's going to get a new all-time high. that just shows that it is a very cheap buy-in my opinion. But so here we have a couple articles. Do not underestimate Tron. Tron dogs getting updated. The mobile Tron dogs, if you guys don't know what that is, it's the counterpart of, I think it's like Crypto Cats or Crypto Kitties or something. And then always have we have more articles. Tron, a new investing opportunity on the rise. This thing's just talking about all this stuff. Bitcoin, Ripple, Monero, Tron's right up there with all those guys. And it's really just the more you read, the more good news we have about Tron. Tron prices up 50%, and this is just the beginning. The cheaper Tron gets, the more attractive it becomes. Guys, the news is packed with good news for Tron, and it's just getting pumped right now. Just from the media, just good news. So, guys, it's following these patterns. It has great news coming out, and it has even bigger news by the end of March 31st, as well as a coin burn and a bunch of other good things heading its way. This is why I believe, guys, Tron is about to blow up. So, I guess we will see by, let's just put a date, in early, let's just put April 7th as the date. So April 7th, guys, I will be doing a video, seeing where we came from Tron and, how correct this technical analysis was. But I think it's going to be something that is going to be very accurate, and I think we're going to see a very healthy growth in Tron. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope this did make sense. If you guys have any questions, do not forget to leave those in the comment section below or in my Discord, which is in the description below as well. So if you guys do have any video ideas, as always, do not forget to leave those either in the Discord or the comment section below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys are able to subscribe and like the video if you did enjoy it. But until then, I will see you in the next one.